This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX941 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and Northern Cape.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sugar Grove and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Batavia, Geneva, St. Charles, DuPage Airport, West Chicago, Wheaton, Sugar Grove, Elburn, North Aurora, Warrenville, Wayne and Winfield. Other locations affected: Aurora University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Kane County Cougars Ballpark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Currently, the temperature